can't quite see it either. That's
Like-
not in Acadia.
Okay. She said Acadia, but I read Denali here.
Yeah, Denali is their top trim for a bunch of things.
Oh, okay, so it's a trim.
So it's not.
Yeah, you need to be in your right lane, as my gal would say.
What is going on here with the interstate?
Oh, dear God.
Next light right onto
Okay.
I-64
we have to go
West.
the other way.
Okay, sorry. Yep, get off of this. Get over in the left when you can. Stay here.
But
You're
we're-
going to go, listen to me.
Yeah.
You're going to go into that Circle K up there where there's a light to get out. So
Yeah,
you're going to
yeah.
think ahead a step or two and take a second. Erin just said she got the croque monsieur and she said it was wonderful. Anyway.
Proceed on I-64 West.
At the lights, use the left lane to make a U-turn at Salem Place, then bear right to merge onto I-64 towards East St. Louis.
No.
Proceed about 3 miles.
We'll find a different way. Oh my God, look at everybody must be doing the same thing. They're coming back here because there's no way there are this many people coming from.
Proceed about 1 mile to Old Collinsville Road.
That's typically why we avoid 64 though. You can turn around anywhere. You just need to pull over and
South.
look. Okay. Just pause for a second. You know what? You don't even have to do that much. Hold on. Okay. I think I have a... Jesus Christ. If we headed that way. Okay, yeah, you make a left out here, okay? But you're gonna go south. Not very far to Lincoln Trail Road. You're gonna make a right and it takes you over to 157. And 157 takes you down to 13. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. So, left here. Down where that Dick's Sporting Goods store and that stuff was, you're going to make a right. Okay. I don't know why these apps can't see that this is a nightmare here. I mean, my Waze showed it red for a long ways, but still, get on there. are going to have to turn right. Not here, but farther. I want to make sure you're not only hearing, but it's registering with you. Going to go down somewhere down like near that mall area. You're going to make a right on Marketplace. Or no, you can keep going in, like near the barn where we saw the Barnes and Noble. That's Lincoln Trail. Make a right there, and it avoids all this. Just stay here. Go straight. Go straight. Go straight. Okay, going straight. I was just wondering though, if now that maybe that traffic is registered with it and they see we're going south, whether no, they're still wanting to put us on 64. That's insane. No, thank you. We'll come up with our own route.
So I don't know where to turn.
I will tell you. It's going to be on Lincoln